In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks. Quick 2026 guide. Grouping tasks is an easy way to bring multiple related items into a single place so you can plan, prioritize, and track progress with less friction. We'll keep this practical and fast so you can apply it right away. Start by heading to your spaces. Think of a space as the home for a set of initiatives, teams, or workflows. This is where all your tasks live. As you look around, remember that the tasks you keep here should support your team's goals and ambitions. Grouping them helps you reflect that strategy in your day-to-day work, making it easier to stay aligned and accountable. Next, click on a list inside the space you're working in. A list gives you a focused view of what needs doing, so it's the perfect spot to tidy things up. Once your tasks are open, it's time to get to it. Select the tasks you want to group by clicking the boxes on the left of each task. Aim for items that naturally belong together. Maybe they share the same outcome, depend on the same milestone, or move through the same stage of work. Let's give it a try. Pick at least 2 related tasks so you can manage them as a unit. If you need a bit more to work with, add another task for good measure so your group feels complete. With your task selected, you're ready to create a clear home for them. Click on New Status. If you don't see that option right away, click on More, then click on New Status again. Create a status name that makes the grouping obvious, such as the phase, theme, or deliverable these tasks belong to. Applying a shared status instantly pulls these items together so they're easy to find, filter, and move forward. You'll notice the list feels cleaner, and your grouped tasks now march through the same stage together. This makes planning simpler, updates faster, and handoffs smoother. It also helps your team spot what's blocked, what's moving, and what needs attention, all at a glance. And that's how you group tasks. Quick, clear, and genuinely helpful for staying organized. Keeping related work in one place reduces context switching, improves focus, and makes status reviews more meaningful. If this walkthrough helped, drop a like and subscribe for more short, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.